So in this video, I'm going to show you how to write the equation of a line through 2 points using your graphing calculator. So let's write the equation of the line through 1, 1, and 3, 5. So when I'm doing these kind of problems, it's sometimes easier to write your points in an XY chart. So you can see in this XY chart, I've written out the points 1, 1, and 3, 5. So to do this on the calculator, you're going to start off by clicking Stat. So when you're on Stat, you're going to choose option 1, which is Edit. So now you can see I have some values already entered in L1 and L2. I need to clear out these columns in order to enter my values from the problem that I'm working on. So I'm going to choose L1. I'm going to go arrow up until L1 is highlighted, click clear, and then enter. Now arrow right and then up until L2 is highlighted, click clear, and then enter. Now I'm going to go back to L1. I'm going to enter all of my X values in L1. So I'm going to enter 1, and then 3. Now in L2, I'm going to enter all of my Y values. I'm going to enter 1 and then 5. So now to get this to calculate my equation, I'm going to click on Stat, arrow right to calculate. You can see within calculate that the fourth option is linreg. Okay, that means linear regression, ax plus b, so it's going to give me the equation of a line. So you can choose option 4 or click enter, and then keep clicking enter until calculate is highlighted, and then click enter again. So now it gives me the equation of the line. It says this equation is y equals ax plus b, where a equals 2 and b equals -1. So if I write this out as an equation, I have y equals 2x plus -1, or in other words, y equals 2x minus 1. Let's try another example. Let's write the equation of the line through -1, 2, and 7, 6. So once again, I'm going to put my values in an XY chart. So I have -1, 2, and 7, 6. So I'm going to go back to Stat and choose Enter on Edit. And then I'm going to go ahead and clear out L1 and L2. So I'm going to arrow up until L1 is highlighted, click Clear, and then Enter. Arrow to L2, click Clear, and then Enter. In L1, I'm going to enter all of my X values. So I'm going to enter -1, and then 7. Now in L2, I'm going to enter all of my Y values. I'm going to enter 2 and 6. So now I need to have this calculate my equation. So I'm going to click Stat, arrow to calculate, and choose option 4, linear regression, so it can write the equation of a line. So I click enter and then keep clicking enter until calculate is highlighted. Click enter again. And so now it's telling me the equation of my line is ax plus b, where a is 0.5 and b is 2.5. So I can write my equation now as y equals 0.5x plus 2.5, or I can convert these decimals to fractions. Remember, you can use the math fraction. So you can type 0.5 math fraction and then enter. So that is 1/2. And then 2.5 and then math fraction, and then enter, and that tells you 5/2. So this is the same thing as 1/2 x plus 5/2.